Alright, Hades Omega here. So I'm in the parking garage for the LA Convention Center, and I'm at Anime Expo 2016. Yeah, here's some kind of cool stuff. So this is Minami Kuribayashi. I just got her to sign one of her CDs. I bought one of these CDs. This is like the best one. It has like all her songs or something. And then I got Yoko Ishida's signature right here. I didn't really have anything for her to sign. It's so embarrassing, right? So I just had her sign the cover. And the cool thing is somewhere. Aha! So I'll tell you who that is later. This is Jam Project's signature. It's like they have like a whole thing that they sign. So like they write Jam Project in the middle, and so this one is Masami Okui, and this one is I forgot, he's the guy that sings the the Macross song. Yeah. And that's this is TM Revolution right here. Yeah, so this one's kind of relevant to this because I'm competing in the Gunpla Builders World Cup 2016. And so last year I competed, and I had my diorama of the the Kshatriya versus the Stark Jegan. It was a diorama of the first battle scene in Gundam Unicorn. So here she is. So I didn't build anything new this year. I haven't built anything for a while, and I haven't built anything noteworthy anyway that I could compete with. So, but I have this the Archangel that I built a few years ago, and I actually did want to enter this last year, but they said you only get one entry, so they send us your best work. So this is probably my best work right here. So this is the Archangel. I'll get some better shots of it later. I do have a build movie on this. If you want to check that out, I'll put that in the description. But I'm gonna go submit it right now to the Bluefin booth, and then we'll go take a look at the competition. It should be cool. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna win, but at least it'll be kind of cool for people to look at my my Archangel. You don't see too many battleships, right? Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, this is the Bandai EX. I think it's 1/7000 scale. Don't quote me on that. I'll fix it later. I can edit it later. But yeah, this is a Bandai EX model. It's all glue and paint. It's not easy to build like your usual Gunpla Gundam, And I don't think to date hasn't been a Archangel toy or a pre-built model yet. So there you go. So this is what I'm going to enter. It doesn't have the mobile suits, because the mobile suits are tiny. They're like the size of your fingernail. Yeah, I just couldn't paint that. I think they'll like it. All right, so here we go. I'm going to submit it. Here's Miguel. Okay, well, so yesterday didn't go quite as planned. There was just like one thing after another, and then the dealer's hall wound up closing. So it was almost time for the dealer's hall to close. So I didn't get the model submitted yet, so I'm gonna go do that in a bit. Dealer's hall is supposed to open in 5 minutes or something, or the exhibit hall, whatever they call it. So yeah. Okay, I don't really know where I'm going. I'm looking for a booth with a bunch of Gunpla. But I'm getting ready to hand my model off. Alright, I'll let you know when I find it. Okay, so Bluefin is on 1401, and I was going the wrong way. The number's got to go down, not up. So it's about 50 feet more, and we'll be there. So I just got into the exhibit hall, They just opened it. Look at how many people are in here already. And like in 10 more minutes, they're probably gonna be like people like everywhere, and it'll be hard to walk.
Wait, what?
I think I found it. There it is. It's the Bluefin booth.
Of course, we have to visit lines.
All right, so I will go submit my thing right now.
Out here at Anime Expo. Oh my God.
There it is. I turned it in. There she is. There's the other ones. We'll go take a look at them soon. Look at that. I've seen that one before.
Can I rotate your ship?
Yeah. There's the Bluefin store. So these are the these are all pre-built figures. I mean, figures that have been built already. These are not the competitor ones. Look like they're very nicely made.
The Mega Man helmet. Right there. Oh, right there.
Unicorn line. Different Zaku's. This is the origin line. There's a Freedom. These are the real grades. This is a Build Fighter case here. Oh, yeah, I want that double Zeta too. I like that. All right, well, without further ado, high grade Freedom looks pretty damn good to me. I think that's the Revive version. HECE, yeah. So here are the competitors.
Winner announcement July 3.
Oh, that's fast.
At 2:45.
The entry deadline and then the announcements on the. That's fast.
We do
So
the same
today,
day.
yeah.
I wonder who does that.
Recognize a lot of this stuff.
That'd be interesting if someone pulls it off. Does it does it at 11:59 a.m. And then wins it at 2:45.
He's white out. Whether it's full, it's like it's down. Yeah. Oh my god. My name on it. Wow. Where did that one go? second line. I'll be on there.
Yeah, they're rebooting the model kit line. Like the Cell actually looks better than the SHF. The Gohan looks thin. The arms look way too small.
His next line.
No, I think that's irresponsible posing that it is. That happens a lot.